Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me Jishan Hormuz and back with another hot video. In today's video, I just want to talk about how can you get the Canva Pro version. So I just want to tell you about this one because this is too much important to know about that. How we will be access to the Canva Pro version. So basically, it is too much important for the all graphic designers and as well as for freelancers and who are work on the Fiverr and or on Upwork. So it is too much important to know about that. How we will be access to the Canva Pro version. So basically, this is not too much difficult. You know about that. If you want to get a Canva Pro version from the main Canva website, so in that time you will be pay almost up to $54 for a year. But if you want to access for a 1 month, so you will be pay almost $6 because Canva Pro version is too much important for us because whenever we have to create any thumbnail for any video, in that time we will be feel a flexibility because Canva gives us a more and more templates, a million templates, a million thumbnails, and as well as if you access this one Canva Pro version, you will be able to do everything on that, like you'll be create CVs, and as well as you'll be also able to create different business cards, and as well as you'll be also able to create ads video on Telegram, Instagram, and as well as on Twitters and Facebooks, on YouTubes. So this is a great opportunity to do right now, and it is a best opportunity to access to Canva Pro version. But how is it possible? So it is too much important to know about that. I will be placed the link in the description box. You simply click on that, or you'll be directly come to contact with me on WhatsApp. So in that time I will be give you a complete access to Canva Pro version. But it is too much to know about that. You must be pay a 1000 rupees for first time, and it is access for lifetime. It is not just all for 1 month or 2 months, because there's different uh, YouTubers who want to sell this one on 300, but this is just for limited time. But I'm just going to do a better advice about this. You always work with a trusted man, not a scammer. So if you want to get the Canva Pro version on just 1000, so it is too much easy for all of you, and it is a cheapest price. So if you interested in that, so you simply click on the below link and contact with me. And if you are facing with any type of issue, if you're not able to pay more money like 1000, so you just contact with me. I'll be also give you a best percentage on that. Okay, so you must be contact with me about the Canva Pro version because it is too much important for all of you. It is too much important. So I hope you'll be understood what I am trying to say you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.